Sasuke.
The part of Naruto that knew Sasuke is all tangled up. What can we do?
Naruto.
Gaara?
There's something I must tell all of you immediately.
I see. The conference was a stormy one, huh?
And then there's Sasuke. I can't believe he would go so far as to attack the summit conference. Naruto, this is a war to protect you as well. As Kazekage, I will protect you with my life. As one of the Akatsuki, Sasuke may get in the way of the allied ninja force. If so, no mercy will be shown. Sasuke has shut his eyes to you. All he seeks is darkness. As Sasuke's friend, do what must be done.
Gaara.
I think of you as a friend. Once friend was just a word to me. Nothing more and nothing less. But when I met you, I realized what's important is the meaning behind that word. And what is it that gives it meaning? Think hard about what you can do for Sasuke. Goodbye for now.
Naruto.
What should I do? What do I...
Naruto!
Hey, Naruto!
Naruto, are you all right?
Sasuke... Sasuke, I swear, I'm gonna... All right.
It's time I tested the power that Lady Tsunade has entrusted to me. Are you ready to face the power Lady Tsunade has entrusted to me? Are you ready to face the power entrusted to me?
Mission start.
I must stop Sasuke myself. I won't let Naruto be the only one to carry this burden. Akatsuki? These guys are here, and Sasuke is with the Akatsuki after all. The old Sasuke really is gone. I don't get the feeling these guys are gonna let me near Sasuke.
Get lost!
No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. I've got no time to mess around here. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. I have to hurry. I've got no time to mess around here. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. I have to hurry. All right, now I can blast straight through. I've got no time to mess around here. I have to hurry. No time to mess around here. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. I've got no time to mess around here. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. There's just no end to these guys. Quick, I've got to hurry. I've got no time to mess around here. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. All right, now I can blast straight through.
This is the essence of a medical ninjutsu.
I have to hurry. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. I have to hurry. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. I've got no time to mess around here. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. All right, now I can blast straight through. No time to mess around here. No time. I've got to get through this forest quickly. I've got no time to mess around here. I have to hurry.
Do you intend to stop Sasuke alone, Sakura?
That voice. Lee!
We should all join forces. Please pull back.
I'm sorry. I've already made up my mind.
In that case, I must use force. I am sorry. Sakura, it is reckless for you to try to take care of this alone.
I know that, but this is something I've decided on. So please, let me go!
Even though it is you asking, I cannot.
If I don't go soon, I won't be able to catch up.
I am sorry, but this is for your own good.
I've got to do something!
Well done. But there is no way I will lose. Leap rising wing! Sakura, you are serious, are you not? Leap rising wing! No matter what happens, I will stop you! Sakura, you are serious, are you not? Sakura, please wait. You must not go.
I'm so sorry, Lee. Sasuke's just up ahead.
Mission complete.
Gotta be getting close.
What will you do now, Sasuke?
Head to the leaf.
But didn't he tell you to rest?
I don't care.
What about Suigetsu and Jugo?
Those who can't follow me will get left behind.
But Sasuke, you can't in this state.
You think you're going to give me advice? Then I'll just get rid of you too. We were together for such a short time, weren't we, Karin?
What's happening? Sasuke? Sasuke!
Sakura, why have you come to me?
Because I want to follow you. I'm gonna leave the leaf.
What would you gain by following me? What are you planning?
I'm not planning anything. I just want to be with you, Sasuke. I don't want to suffer from regret anymore. I want to do whatever you want. So please, let me come with you.
This is his old comrade. So she feels the same as I do.
Do you know what I want?
I don't care what it is. I'll do whatever you say.
Destroy the leaf. That is what I want to do. Would you really betray the leaf for me?
Yes, if you tell me to, Sasuke.
Then prove it to me. This woman is Karin. Kill her.
Why? Isn't this person your comrade?
She is no longer necessary to me.
Sasuke, I am no longer.
What's wrong, Sakura? Can't you do it?
This person isn't part of this. Right now. I have to do it now. I have to defeat Sasuke here. It all has to end. But...
Looks to me like you can't do it. Then I don't need you either. I will finish both of you here and now. Die.
Sasuke!
Sasuke!
Kakashi-sensei!
Just now, Sasuke really meant to kill her.
Kakashi.
You really would have. You've truly fallen, Sasuke.